I'm going to show you how you can make crazy amounts of profit with a brand new affiliate program that's quite possibly the easiest one to use. Hi everyone, it's Kevin from Solopreneur and I'm really excited for this video. I'm going to show you guys this brand new affiliate program I discovered that is a game changer and is applicable to practically anyone. I just got started with it and the results so far have been insane and I wanted to share it with you guys. I'm going to give you everything, what exactly it is, how to get into the program. I'm going to go through things pretty quickly. In the sake of time, I don't want this video to be like an hour long. I'm trying to make it in under 15 or 20 minutes. So strap in and let's jump right into it. The product I'm talking about in the affiliate program is called Honey. It's an automatic coupon code finder for the internet's top website. So for example, you can see here it automatically finds you coupon codes. I'm going to show you how it works with a real example. And you can see Sephora, Lululemon, Pizza Hut, Groupon, all of these sites, and it finds coupon codes for you automatically. It's completely free to use. So all you do is you just click on this button here and you click install. And there you go, and it's added to your browser and it just shows up as a little thing over here. It just shows up as a little part of your Chrome or Safari extension. And so basically what it does is, I'll show you how it works, is so let's say I'm on like a pizza site and there's a reason I'm picking pizza. I'll tell you guys afterward, but all you do is you can see that little 3 here. It's saying it's found some stuff for us. We just click that. And then you just hit the apply. And what it's doing right now is it's trying to find the best coupon codes for you and it's applying them automatically. So as we can see here, the original price was $24 and now it's $20.33. So Honey found a coupon for free delivery. And that's just one example of something really simple and common like pizza that literally anyone would order, and you save $4. It's not bad, right? If you order pizza a couple of times a month, it's pretty good. And so you can see that, and it's applicable like I showed you on Best Buy, all this stuff. Anyways, that's just a quick overview of what exactly Honey is. Now, the Honey affiliate program is run through something called CJ Affiliate, which is a network, and I'll show you how to get into that afterward. But really quickly, so you can see here, this is where the opportunity is, guys. So as you saw, Honey installs in 2 clicks. It's free and it's basically applicable for any site that you buy stuff on. There's really no downside to not using it. If it doesn't find you a coupon, so what? It didn't cost you anything. If it does find you a coupon, great. Now, looking at the program, as a Honey affiliate, you earn $1 per desktop installation and 25 cents per mobile registration. Think about that. You have a product that's applicable to anyone. Literally anyone, and it takes 2 clicks to install, and it's free. You see where I'm getting with this, right? And you also get a 30-day tracking cookie. So basically, if they landed on Honey and they got distracted and then they went somewhere and then they came back a week or 2 or 3 later and they still installed it, you still get credit. It's applicable in the United States, Canada, UK, Australia, and India. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Okay, so now that you know what Honey is and you know the program, the first thing you want to do is install Honey for yourself, just to familiarize yourself with the application so that you know exactly what you'll be selling. The link is in the description, so you guys can do that first. You'll also need to install it in order to apply some careful screenshots that you'll be taking for your niche when you're promoting this product to your audience as an affiliate marketer. So the next thing we want to do is we want to join CJ. So you go to cjaffiliate.com, cj.com. Again, I'm linking everything in the description for you guys, so it's super easy. So just go to cj.com and I'll link straight to the sign up page. And what you need to do is you need to sign up. It's pretty simple. So you just need to fill all these fields here, but you need to have a couple of things. You need to operate an active website. You need to pay commissions, blah, blah. My site doesn't have adult or gambling content. You're not going to do any of those last two, so I wouldn't even worry about it. So the first thing is you do need a website. Now, you can get around this if you have like a substantial Instagram following, or maybe if you have like a YouTube channel, you could try and get around this. But if you're an affiliate marketer, there may be a chance that you already have a website. So if you already have a website, guys, just apply here. It's pretty simple. You don't need to be 1 million plus. You can go 0 to 1 million. You can do, just pick something that makes sense here. The monthly uniques, maybe embellish that a little bit, right? I don't tell you outright lie, but maybe give them your very best month rather than your average, so fill this all in, right? And now I don't want to leave you hanging if you don't have a website where you just have to click off this video and say, well, I guess I can't do it, because it's a great opportunity. So if you don't have a website, guys, one thing you can do is you can really, really, really easily make a website using Squarespace. I'm talking about like in a couple of hours. So Squarespace, long story short, it's a drag and drop website builder, and they have awesome templates. You can go over here, you go to blogs and podcasts, because what you'll want to be doing is a blog. You can see all of these templates. Let's just say it's like a food blog or something. I'll preview it for you guys. Basically, you get started here. You can start with this design, and it's like drag and drop. So what you're going to have to do, obviously, is populate your blog. Write like 4 or 5 blog posts, 6 blog posts about a topic that you're interested in. Again, if you're interested in affiliate marketing, you're going to be in a niche anyways, so you might as well get started if you don't have one. I'm going to give you guys an example of how to do this right here that I've already done. So I also have another website other than Solopreneur. I have a resort application, and it basically helps people compare resorts, and there's a blog component to that. So what I've done here is, as you guys can see, automatic coupon codes for Booking.com, Travelocity, Priceline, and dozens of other sites. I've made a honey specific article. I've taken a screenshot of all this money you can save on Booking.com using honey. Basically, I wrote this little article about how it works and how you can get honey and whatnot. So what you want to do again is you want to sign up on Squarespace, create a blog in your niche, and then here's the thing: create a post. Before you're even a honey affiliate, create a post selling honey, because that's going to impress them. So they're going to overlook a lot of stuff if you've already started promoting them even before you're supposed to or allowed to. That's going to go a long way. Okay, so once you're accepted into CJ Affiliate, then you want to go into your network profile here, and you want to fill this out. Make a great impression, it says here, right? Talk about the properties you own, your promotional properties. So basically just fill in kind of like your resume, like your profile, guys. You can see here how I've done it here, like, the 2 sites I own. And why that's useful is because once you're inside CJ, there are hundreds and hundreds of great affiliate programs, not just honey, that you can get into, but you also have to apply individually to them. So I'm going to show you now how to get into honey. So okay, we've signed up for CJ, we've gotten in, we've filled in our network profile, then we go to advertisers, and then you just go in here and you simply type honey. And you find it right there. And now it won't show here because I'm already in there, but there'll just be a little button that says apply because I'm already a honey affiliate, but there'll just be a little thing that says apply, and it's like 1 click. And then because they have all your network information and everything, there is no additional stuff to fill out. You just click apply, and then eventually you'll get a letter in here saying, oh, you've been accepted. Okay, so once you're approved, go back to your advertisers section, and then where you see honey, click on this to start getting your links. So these are the links that people can click on that when they install the product, they install honey, you get paid. So you can see here there are so many promotions, and they go to different pages, but what I would use is just this one right here, like one of these are just the general US. So I need to copy it and put it in incognito because I have a honey installed. It won't take me to the right page, so it'll just take them here, and this is your tracking link. So get your link, you can grab them here, and you can just go click URL right here, click on this, and you just copy this, and this is what you'll be using. Now here's where the fun starts. We've gone to the program, we have our links. Then what you want to do is you want to use a platform called Propeller Ads. So Propeller Ads is like an alternative network. Now with Facebook and Google and all of this stuff, they're amazing networks, but honey only pays you $1. While it's super easy to install, regular ads, just the economics don't work for it, right? You need to be paying pennies for clicks, not dollars, obviously, right? So you want to be getting 10, maybe 20, 30 cents a conversion rather than, or even pennies a conversion if you can, rather than say $1.50 or something, because then the economics just don't work. So Propeller Ads is an alternative ad network, and what they do is they actually have these push notifications. So you might have heard about this in the past. You might have even seen it. So just to give you an idea, so these are all the different campaigns I'm running, and guys, it costs pennies to run this, and that's where the power comes in. And because honey is applicable to basically anyone, you can use Propeller Ads. So basically they use this thing called push notifications. And if you've ever been on many websites, you might have seen like, do you want to, in the corner of your screen, it might say, do you want to allow notifications? And you just click allow, maybe you're not thinking. And then what it does is this site can now, or sites can now serve you almost like a pop-up that's built into your operating system or browser. So you can see if it's on an Android phone, it shows up like this. If it's on Windows, Mac, whatever, right? It just shows up, and that's how that's done. And so the site Propeller Ads, they buy all that inventory and they let you literally send these banners right to someone's cell phone or desktop computer. Now, again, we know that we get 25 cents for a mobile phone and $1 for a desktop computer. So right away, we just exclude all the mobile devices because we get 4 times as much with a desktop. Basically, you sign up for Propeller Ads. I'll link it down below, and you just create a campaign. Guys, it's super easy. You go to create campaign. And so you see there are all different kinds of options. You just pick one. If you want to go push notifications like the one I just showed you, you just type the URL. This would be the URL you got from Honey, right? So this would be that. And then you can do classic push or not, and then you start creating your creative. So you can test all kinds of things. Again, one of the challenges with Propeller Ads is you can't do any demographic targeting, or you can't say what their interests are, but that's okay. Could you imagine if you're sending these push notifications to everyone in the US about saving $4 on pizza? Pretty much anyone you send that ad to is going to be interested. That's where the power of Honey comes in, because you can't use this Propeller Ads with a lot of non-general software. But here you have an offer, again, to recap, applicable to anyone, free to install in 2 clicks. And so it's basically the perfect product to use with this thing called Propeller Ads. And so I'll just go back because I want to show you guys a made ad already in the interest of time, so you guys actually see what the output looks like. In this campaign, I'm actually targeting Canada, and that's one of the few countries that are allowed. And I'm not doing that because unlike the US, I find like it'll have a little less competition if you go after Canada, Australia, instead of the obvious ones like the US, right? Germany, India. You'll get even cheaper ad traffic, but this traffic is already insane cheap. So this is the CPM cost. So that's for 1,000 impressions, you're paying 44 cents. 1,000 impressions. So let's say 1 in 10 of those people click, you'll be paying 40 cents for 100 clicks. And let's just say 10 of those people install the app. That's $10 for 44 cents. That's just math, right? So just an idea, right? So of course you'll want to create good creatives and you'll want to test things. And that's where, like I said, right? Need toilet paper and sanitizer? Use the best discount code automatically. I'm going with a little bit of humor, right? You guys can see here, you know, and I'm showing like a screenshot, because remember we were playing with the app in order to install it to get those screenshots, right? So that's why you need to install it yourself, and just try different things. Try, because again, you can't target. That's the one disadvantage, but try pizza, try video games, try if you can find like even like streaming movies and stuff. Like think about, everyone's at home during the coronavirus. Think about the things that are general enough that anybody who saw this ad, or 1 in 10 people who see this are like, yeah, I need that. Click. Try to think about things people are already buying anyways. So not only are you making money for yourself, you're also helping them save money for free. So it's actually pretty cool, right? And just showing you guys here, started running this not too long ago, but you can see like here, we're talking about the cost, right? I mean, 3 cents a click, 16 cents a click, 1.9 cents a click. So you can, 4.7 cents a click. So you can see, like, if you're getting $1, and even if 1 in 10 people install it, you're doing pretty damn good. So, and of course it'll depend on, you're going to have to play around a little bit in here, right? Try US, try India, try Germany, try different creatives, and you're going to come up with different variants, and you'll see what works best. But you don't need to invest more than even $100. And again, I would just want to say, I'm just showing you guys this Propeller Ads thing if you want to accelerate it. But if you want to do it the content way, you saw how I made a blog post promoting how to save money on TripAdvisor and Priceline and stuff. You don't even need to pay for ads. Like, you can just promote Honey the slow way. And there's no problem with that, except you don't have to pay, right? So that's the benefit. But you'll make money that way as well. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll do my best to get to as many as I can. If you found value in this, if you're excited to try this, like and subscribe. It takes me a long time to make this content for you guys, and I do it because I want as many people as possible to be independently wealthy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.